see every day in your backyard. That is a hawk of some kind. It killed some kind of small bird, I think. And eating red meat. That just seems like an odd place for a bird of prey to land. I feel like I should be watching the Nature Channel or something. I wonder what it is. It looks like a bird or something because you can see all the feathers and the big carcass and then eating meat. I was going to go outside, but I don't want to scare it away. I'm going to go out and have a big old chunk of red meat in his mouth.